Your VW Beetle key fob battery likely needs replacing if the remote functions are erratic or completely unresponsive. This applies to models from 2010-2016. First, locate the release button and remove the physical key blade. Next, carefully pry open the fob casing along the seam. For a stubborn case, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for about 10 to 20 seconds to soften the seals. Avoid metal tools to prevent damage. Use a plastic pry tool instead. Once open, note the battery's orientation, positive side up before removing the old CR2032 battery. If you encounter corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place. Reassemble the key fob by carefully snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the buttons. The LED should flash, and the remote should function within a 30 to 50-foot range. If it still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and has a voltage between 2.8 to 3.0 volts. For a stuck case, lubricate the clips with silicone spray to prevent future issues. If problems persist, a professional may be needed due to circuit board issues. Always dispose of used batteries properly and consider using rechargeable CR2032 alternatives for environmental benefits.